Today, I'll show you how to send an email to Microsoft To Do so it appears right inside your task list using just a simple flag in Outlook. Let's start with the basic idea. Microsoft To Do can automatically pick up any email you flag in Outlook and turn it into a task in a special smart list called Flagged Email. That means you don't have to copy and paste details, forward emails, or set things up manually every time. Once this is working, you can manage important emails right alongside your other tasks. First, make sure you're signed in to both Outlook and Microsoft To Do with the same account. This is important because the connection between flagged emails and To Do relies on that shared account. If you have multiple accounts, like work and personal, just double check which one is active in each app before you start. Now, in Outlook, find an email that you want to turn into a task. This might be something you need to follow up on, a request from a colleague, or a reminder you don't want to lose in your inbox. Instead of leaving it unread or trying to remember it later, you're going to flag it. To do that, look for the flag icon next to the email. Depending on your Outlook layout, this is usually on the right side of the message in the list. Click or tap that flag. Once you've done this, Outlook will mark the email as flagged, which usually changes the icon's color or appearance so you know it's active. That single action is all you need to trigger the connection with Microsoft To Do. There's nothing else to configure in that moment. Behind the scenes, Microsoft To Do notices that you've flagged an email and automatically adds it to the flagged email smart list as a task. Next, open Microsoft To Do. You can use the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. The behavior is the same. On the left-hand side or in your main navigation, look for a section labeled Flagged Email. This is a smart list, which means it's generated automatically, not something you have to create yourself. When you select that list, you should see the email you just flagged in Outlook appear there as a task. The subject line of the email becomes the task title, and you can open it to see more details. Sometimes it takes a brief moment to sync, especially if your connection is slow. So if you don't see it immediately, give it a little time and then refresh. Once the flagged email shows up in Microsoft To Do, you can manage it like any other task. You can add a due date, set a reminder, add it to another list, or include notes about what you need to do. The email itself stays linked, so you can always jump back to it from Outlook when you're ready to respond or review details. From now on, anytime you want an email to appear in Microsoft To Do, just flag it in Outlook. It will instantly be added to the flagged email smart list, helping you keep your inbox and your task list in sync with almost no effort.